Hey, what's up, Street Dogs? The Eric from the Eric Street Photography blog. Super pumped to share with you the exclusive news that ARS Beta 3 is now live. We have instituted the most incredible thing yet, which is ARS Coin. The basic concept is this. With traditional forms of social media like Facebook or Instagram, you accumulate likes and followers. Now the problem is you spend so much time giving people feedback, commenting on them and some stuff like that, but you don't get adequately paid for your labor, and there's no way for you to really quantify the effort that you're putting in to help empower other people. So we created ARS Coin, a revolutionary new way for you to quantify your photographic labor. So the basic idea is this: sign up for arsbeta.com, and once you start rating the photos of others and you start providing constructive critique to others, you start earning ARS Coin. Now, what is ARS Coin? I like to say it's kind of like a pseudo crypto for photographers, and it's really exciting because you could use your ARS Coin to not only quantify the progress you're making in terms of contributing to the photo community, but you could also use your ARS Coin to commission critiques from other users in the ARS community. So if other people give you critiques and you really like the feedback and the critique you're giving, then you could actually commission them for more in-depth critique. And this is really beneficial to you, the photographer, because it's able for you to get constructive criticism and feedback on how you could actually improve your photography. To me, ARS Coin is the most incredible thing happening in photography. Put away that stupid Instagram and all the pointless likes and followers. Figure out that ARS Coin is really, I think, the future of photography. It's a chance for you to once again start getting paid for your photographic labor, your input, and also in the future we envision lots of exciting things that you can start to use ARS Coin for. Join us in this journey together, so just check it out, arsbeta.com, and huge shout out to all the users who have already been contributing to the ARS community. Keep adding your images, keep uploading your images, keep giving critiques, and if you have any questions about ARS, just leave a comment below, and really excited to see you on the platform.